Hi, my name is Megan from WaterBear, and in today's news, a huge victory for songwriters is now in jeopardy. Amazon and Spotify are appealing a ruling which will effectively amount to suing songwriters. Earlier this year, a new ruling agreed by the CRB, the Copyright Royalty Board, to increase the streaming royalty rates paid to songwriters by 44%, benefiting a huge amount of songwriters worldwide. The streaming services then had 30 days to challenge the ruling. This was then challenged by both of the streaming companies, Spotify and Amazon. In addition, Google and Pandora also questioned this. The National Music Publications Association described this as shameful and tantamount to suing songwriters. The original ruling stated that on-demand subscription streaming services raise by 44% over the next 5 years. Spotify and Amazon appealed the decision. Apple Music did not. Dearhoof have commented on the subject. Rather unbelievable that Spotify and Amazon, after gobbling up the music industry and redirecting to their own CEOs the funds that historically went to artists, are now suing to oppose this paltry increase in royalty payments to artists. NMPA has stated that this huge victory for songwriters is now in jeopardy. The president and CEO of NMPA said, when the Music Modernisation Act became law, there was hope it signalled a new day of improved relations between digital music services and songwriters. That hope was snuffed out today when Spotify and Amazon decided to sue songwriters in a shameful attempt to cut their payments by nearly 1/3. The Copyright Royalty Board's final determination gave songwriters only their second meaningful increase in over 110 years. Instead of accepting the CRB's decision, which still values songs less than their fair market value, Spotify and Amazon have declared war on the songwriting community by appealing that decision. No amount of insecure and hollow public relation gestures such as throwing parties or buying billboards of congratulations or naming songwriters geniuses can hide the fact that these big tech bullies do not respect or value the songwriters who make their businesses possible. Joe Bonamassa has stated, I guess they grew tired of paying 1/100th of 1 cent to the folks who made them billionaires. Seems only logical they would sue to protect their right to give away the songwriters' hard work and creativity. We're going to keep up with this story, so make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with WaterBear's music industry news and analysis videos. I'm still Megan from WaterBear. Thanks for watching and see you soon.